Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW iX in Forza Horizon 5. First, you'll want to check the current festival playlist. This is often the easiest way to acquire new and exclusive vehicles. If it's a seasonal reward, completing the required challenges will grant you the car directly. These challenges vary, so always review the specific objectives for the current series. To access the festival playlist, simply navigate to it from your main game menu. Here, you'll see a breakdown of the current series and its associated rewards. If the BMW iX is available, it will be clearly listed. Focus on completing the specific events or achieving the overall series completion percentage needed to unlock it. This method often requires a bit of playtime, but is usually straightforward. If the BMW iX isn't currently a festival playlist reward, don't worry. Your next stop should be the auto show. You can purchase many cars directly with in-game credits there. Alternatively, the auction house is a fantastic resource. Players often list cars for sale, and you might find the BMW iX at a great price. Be sure to compare prices before making a purchase. To maximize your chances, always keep an eye on your credit balance. Saving up can help you grab the BMW iX from the auto show or auction house when it appears. Participating in seasonal events is also key, as many exclusive cars are introduced this way. Remember to check the auction house often, as listings change rapidly, and a good deal might pop up at any moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.